This is a shur on Tefilla. These days we are saying Selichot. Therefore, we talk about Selichot. Now, Rambam says that somebody doesn't do Teshuvah, there's a lot of consequences. One of the consequences that he has, somebody doesn't do Teshuvah, is that he davens to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem doesn't accept him. He prays, he begs Hashem, he screams to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Torfin lefanav. Rambam says this threw in front of his face. What's your davening? Russia, Lamat Sabarullah. Wicked person. Why are you talking to HaKadosh Baruch Hu? Hashem is not interested when a person is a Russia, when a person doesn't do Teshuvah. And as long as the person is motivated to Teshuvah, then Hashem accepts his tefillah. Once we ask our Shiva, if that's the case, when should we say Anna in the morning? Should we say at the end of the tefillah, or we should say in the beginning of the tefillah? According to this Rambam, we should say Anna is the vidui, confessing the chet. And confessing the chet is one of the steps of the teshuvah. Teshuvah has 4 steps. One step is that we have to stop the sin, then regretting. We have to regret what we did. Person loses $1,000, he did something wrong. Yes, regret. I'm not going to repeat it. But how much? A little bit. Somebody lost his business because of a wrong decision. He regrets very much. He will not do it. He will not do it. We have to understand the consequence of sin to understand what does regret mean. Understand the consequence of the sin is that we lose our relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We lose the nitzchut. We lose the shemira. We lose the protection. We lose the shaykhut, being with the Father. Is it worth it? Regret. Then we have to be coupled that we are not going to live from now on. Kabbalah. Some people, they say, okay, leave something, but still, you have some shaykhut, something. They say gambler, he doesn't disconnect as long as he keeps the dice someplace at home. As long as the dice is someplace in closet, someplace in safe, someplace, even though that's not gambling, but it is connected to gambling. Kabbalah al-Hati means I disconnect myself from the sin. I take different road. I'm not related to the sin anymore. I'm a new, like Rambam says, new creation. I got nothing to do with that sin anymore. I break the dice. I destroy all of the bridges that took me to that sin. 4th thing is that you can come and confess. What's to confess? You see that you said that whatever that you did wrong. Now, what's the point? If you go to somebody and say that I did this and that, sometimes chutzpah. Sometimes you are embarrassing the person. It depends on the tune that you say. If you say with regret, with feeling bad, you make the other person feel good. But if you just zip through, not that's chutzpah. Elul! We have to be careful how to say vidui. We cannot just zip through. We cannot just utter words and leave. It's a chutzpah to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We have to be careful what we say. The word with the feeling bad, the remorse. No, what's the pshat of vidui? Vidui is like imagine they gave a research somebody to go to Hawaii for 2 weeks, make a research and come back. He goes there, he says, oh, such a beautiful weather, he takes care of himself, first week, all day goes by, and he doesn't do anything. He entertains himself so involved, so attractive that, he cannot avoid. And after that, he has to give a report. One way is, he's going to put under the carpet everything. And just rubs it in and says, there is nothing, I tried. But he's not honest with himself. If somebody is honest with himself, he says, they pay for my ticket, they pay for my meals, they pay for my motel and hotel, they pay for renting a car. It's not right of me to use whatever that they gave me and I go against. Person feels responsible for his act. Vidui means I'm going to be responsible for whatever that I'm doing. I wasn't in charge. I didn't take responsibility, and I just let it happen. But from now on, I'm responsible. I take charge for whatever that I do, and I'm responsible. That's it. Therefore, Vitu is procedure of Teshuvah. Therefore, we ask our Rosh Hashiva, we have to say Vitu in the beginning of the Tefillah, because Rambam says if you don't do Teshuvah, your Tefillah is not accepted. But what do? We say Vitu right after Shema and Shemon Esrei. Right after Shemon Esrei, say Vitu. Why? We should say in the beginning of the Tefillah, because we need Teshuvah. Now, my Rosh explained, we say Vitu right after saying Birkat HaShachar, Sukkot Zimra, Kirat Shema, Shemon Esrei. When we are uplifting ourselves with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we making such a connection with Hashem, we accept the Bola of Malchut Shamayim, and we daven and pray to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we realize our existence is in the hand of Hashem, our parnasa, our health, our being in the hand of Hashem. Then we come to a state that we could say real victory. We understand what we did wrong, how wrong it is. Whom did we do all of these things? Therefore, for that purpose, we put the vidui at the end after Shemon Esrei, after becoming a different being, understanding the world in different perspectives, to understand our shaykhut and relationship with HaKadosh is the most important thing, and we tore it. We destroyed our sins. Then that stand of saying your widow is a different type of experience. That's 5 live. Now, Selichot, main point of Selichot is widow. Now we have 4 Vaya'avor before widow to prepare us for widow. Why? Because HaKadosh says, I made a covenant with Vaya'avor that if you say you're not going to encounter. This Vaya'avor passes us through, it taught us to connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, understand our relationship. That was the invention of Moshe Rabbeinu after Chetab Egel. We understand how we are related to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. What's our relationship with Hashem based on? Then it gives us this time to say Vitui. Once we say Vitui, then we say the rest of Selichot. But the major, primary point of Selichot is the Vitui. And before that, we say Vaya'avor, and then we say Vidui, confession, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and then we say more things. But central point of the Selichot, that's why Selichot is called Selichot. It's not called Se'akot or Bakashot. It doesn't call scream. It doesn't call requested. So Selichot, what does Selichot mean? Forgiveness. Because the focal point is not just uttering some words and leaving, screaming and leaving. No. We have to appease HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We have to ask His forgiveness. We have to appease Hashem. We have to see what we could do to repair the relationship. That's Selichah. That's why the Vidui, which is part of the Shuvah, is the center of Selichot, and that's why we say center before Vaya'avor, and uplifted us, and to make us to say Vidui in a real way.